Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can become a Credit Karma affiliate. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Sign up on the Credit Karma affiliate page. Visit Awin or Impact, the affiliate networks hosting Credit Karma's program. Locate their affiliate program page and complete the sign-up form with details about your business, website, or social media presence. Step 2. Await approval. After submitting your application, each team will review it. This process usually takes a few days, and you'll be notified via email if your application is approved. Make sure your content aligns with Credit Karma's standards to increase your chances of approval. Step 3. Access your affiliate dashboard. Once approved, you'll receive access to the Credit Karma affiliate dashboard. This dashboard includes tracking tools, reporting features, and a variety of marketing materials, such as banners, widgets, and referral links. Step 4. Start promoting. Use your affiliate link and promotional materials to share Credit Karma's services with your audience. Whether through blog posts, social media, or email marketing, ensure that your content highlights the benefits of Credit Karma's financial tools. Step 5. Monitor and optimize performance. Regularly check your affiliate dashboard for updates on clicks, conversions, and earnings. Use these insights to optimize your strategies and maximize your earning potential as a Credit Karma affiliate partner.